In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to make changes to a PDF document, specifically how to change out the cover page in your document. So if you have a product or document and the cover page is out of date or you want to refresh it, you want to make changes to it, this is a great way of doing that. So you can get a free trial or you can download it. It's $14.99 a month, depending upon how many documents you need to work with. I work with a lot of documents, so I just paid for the free trial. So you go to your file, and if you just double click on it, it's going to open it up in the regular Adobe. And if you click on Edit, it's going to tell you that you're using the free Adobe and that you need to use the DC Pro version. So I'm going to click on OK, and it's automatically going to open it up for me in the DC Pro. Now, in order to get rid of this cover page and change it out to my new one that's better, I'll just click over here on Organize Pages. And that's going to take me to this view here. I'm going to go to Insert, and I already have my new cover page created. And my new cover page is currently saved as a JPEG file because it's made in PowerPoint. And then I can choose where I want it, before or after. I'll insert it in, and then I'll go ahead and throw out the old one. And then voila, I've updated the cover page. Just have to click on Save, and it'll save my original document under this new, with this new cover page. And there it is. Looks a lot better. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Feel free to click on that like button.